G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here, and Edwin. I'm not alone.
Wait a minute. All right, mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm not in Australia.
Yeah. Can you explain to the audience why we're in Highland?
Because of the new freaking car wash I got. You didn't see my previous video?
I did, and I give it a like.
So we're here. We're gonna start what we do best.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do today?
We're gonna do some welding, probably. Whatever we find out that is broken down, we're gonna fix it today.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna weld some security bars on the vacuums because I came yesterday and there's no locks on the bottoms where the trash goes, and the door was open on all the vacuums.
Yeah.
So I closed them, and again when I showed up today, all the bottoms of the doors were open.
Yeah,
and
that could be annoying.
When the door's open, the vacuum doesn't work, so customers start it and they don't know, and it doesn't suck.
Right.
I mean, it sucks, but it doesn't suck.
Yeah.
So today we're going to do what we do, because ever since I did that to my vacuums up other car washes, it's been more than a year and no one has gotten in the bottom, no one has tampered with them or done anything with them. And it used to be
I weld them.
because you welded them.
Yeah.
But it used to be a daily occurrence. So I'm glad we sorted that out. We're going to do the same thing here, because if it works, why not keep doing it?
That's right. Let's go.
That's not the only thing. We're going to install some security cameras, because there's no damn cameras here, and I got the OnWote that I got from my other Covina car wash, and I love them. They're really good. So I got the same system. I'm going to put it in here. So that's two things we're going to do today: cameras and welding some security bars on the vacuums. There we go. We got a bunch of new stuff. What do we got? New brush poles.
What else we got?
Guns. 2 tickets to the gun show. We got some vacuum nozzles. We got some pre-soak nozzles. We've got tire cleaner ones. We've got brush heads. We've got coil hoses. I already put my order into Bob. He's going to build me the low pressure systems. So that'll take a few weeks. Looking forward to that, because this one is on the old school Procon pump and it really just doesn't work that great. Here it is here. So I'm gonna do my thing. And this is new. So I got the camera system. I'm gonna have to run Ethernet cable. This is the first car wash I have with an A-frame roof. All the other ones, I get on top of the roof and I walk along it, and it's pretty easy, but this one looks like a challenge. And being 6'6", getting into little crawl spaces for people who are 3 foot is not easy. So I gotta get up here and somehow run the Ethernet cable. So WML, wish me luck. I'll run the extension cord to the welder. What do we got? What do we got?
So this is the bars that we're gonna install today.
That's the bars, the security bars.
So this is awesome. Whoever makes this, I'm really happy with this.
Hats off to him.
Yeah, but this is the way it goes. Just like that.
Very nice.
Then you put all the bracket here.
Very nice.
And you weld it, put the locks, and nobody can get into it.
And when we did that at our other car wash, what did they do?
What did they do? They
came over here.
They go behind.
And they opened it from that way.
Yeah.
But again, with every break-in, we learn and get smarter. So what did we do?
We kind of stitch it out to the vacuum, and that fixed the problem.
Stitch it out?
Yeah, stitch it out. You see what I'm talking about. If there is any welder out there, you probably know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Stitch weld.
Yeah, stitch weld.
What, every other one?
Yeah.
So that way they couldn't get in. And ever since we did that over, what, 2 years ago? Time flies.
Like 2 years. Yeah.
They haven't gotten in.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
So we'll continue with what works.
Yeah. I mean, this is good, but this is like really not too secure.
Yeah, they can
solid.
Because I came here this morning. I tried to do it with one hand, and they were like that. So customer comes along, they don't even look, they just put the money in, and it doesn't work because the door has to be closed. It needs new gaskets. But
correct.
But these vacuums work really good. They're really powerful. I'm happy about them. And they got beautiful colored hoses.
Oh yeah, that's cool. I never seen that before.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, I like
rainbows.
Rainbow mode.
Wow. Cameras box. How many times have people seen me in all my videos unboxing stuff?
Yeah, a lot of time.
2 or 3 times? Yeah, probably. Very good.
All right.
Got the DVR system. Digital video recording.
Yeah. That's so good. Look at that.
And then 8 cameras. I ordered 2 more separate ones. And a bunch of Ethernet.
Yeah.
So there you go. I'm going to do that. Edwin's going to weld. And with our powers combined, we are Captain Planet. Damn, looking like Ned Kelly over here.
Gotta be prepared for everything.
Yeah. Terminator. As cool as the suck it up vac is that sucks all the quarters inside the room, it is loud. Not good for filming. It's a great system. I don't have to put quarters, but it's loud and it doesn't stop. It goes for a long time. But I'm not going to wait. So I'm just trying to make some room. Clear out all the junk up here. Let's see what's in this moldy box. See all this old stuff right here, chewed through by the rats, and this whole box is trash. Obviously I got my caution sign, very important. I'll put that right up at the front so people driving in can see it, no excuses.
Fire, fire,
Damn.
fire. Boom. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Cleans up pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
I like it. It's just the gasket.
Yeah, that's the gasket. That's
Yeah,
right.
but
We're
we
gonna,
have plenty of gaskets, right?
yeah, we're gonna put new ones on.
Yeah. But other than that, I mean, it's looking great.
Looking great.
Yeah. Like it.
What is going on? So we got some car wash flags, which actually look in pretty decent shape. I mean, a little dirty down here. Looks like they've been outside for a bit, but they look pretty decent. It's not really what I do. I don't like to use them. These are cheap enough, 70 bucks maybe. I think I'm gonna toss these and get new ones. So this is done.
Yeah, this one is done, bro.
Look at that. And we're gonna put the 2 locks, one there, one there.
Yeah. Feel free to judge me if I did a really bad job on the welding. I mean, I'm not an expert. I haven't taken any school for this, but
Hey, you don't have to explain yourself. Who cares what anyone thinks?
yeah, but just excited for what they say.
I mean, what's the alternative? Don't do it and just freaking...
Yeah. Okay, this is the stitches that was explained to you earlier.
Ooh, stitches.
Yeah.
Snitches get stitches. Is it still hot? Probably.
Yeah, a little bit.
I don't want to burn my gloves onto my skin, so...
Yeah.
Again, this is what, the 22nd vacuum we've done that to, so... Finally got the hang of it.
One more to go.
Alright, let's go ahead and unbox the TV monitor for the viewing pleasure of the cameras. I just got this off Amazon for like 80 bucks. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Very nice. Ta-da! Hoo-wee! DVR set up. Just plugged it in this second, and it pops straight up.
I want to be a part of the celebration, bro. Can hear you all the way up there.
Yeah,
What's going on?
I got the cameras going.
Oh,
Well, DVR, English or Spanish?
both.
Both?
We need both, bro.
All right, let me find both.
Yeah.
Is that it?
That's it.
Espanol!
Yeah.
Poliski. We'll do English, I guess.
Yeah, we're in America anyways.
Ooh, password. All right, password's gonna be G.
No.
Don't show?
You want people to?
Oh, I wanted to share the password with them. All right, I won't.
Yeah.
There we go. Super cool. There we are. Filming me, filming you, filming me. I'm confused. What are you doing? Watching TV? Dun, 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 dun. Flex for Trevor! Flex for Trevor! There you go, Trevor. Very cool.
Good.
The man is gonna go up there and he's gonna put the second camera. Right, senor?
See,
See.
amigo.
So we kind of, before we press play to this video, we kind of discussed a couple things. Maybe the camera is gonna be too high, right there. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna put it right there. If it looks too high, we're gonna put it next, Chris.
Maybe move it down here, but we'll see.
Yeah. Let's see what it does. He's doing it.
What ride are we in?
I don't know. Disneyland ride? Do. So this is up in the attic,
Yeah.
and it's 150 degrees.
Harry Potter.
It all looks very nice up here. So we're gonna go
Explore.
check out what we're dealing with. Oh, it's literally like a sauna. This is crazy. Oh, there's lights up here. What you doing down there? You look even shorter than you actually are.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got some light. So now at least we can see literally a sauna dripping with sweat.
Check it out.
The things we do. The things we do. Again, I'm 6'6". Not good. You coming up, buddy?
Yeah.
It's like a kid climbing the monkey bars. Yeah. Now you know what it's like for a real man's job.
Okay, enough from Salvador. I never climbed trees and. Wow. Yeah.
Damn, we go there for 1 minute and it feels like you just got out of the shower.
Challenging.
Let's forget the cameras, we don't need them.
Yeah.
Let's check out the second one. All right. Pretty good, a little bit high up, but as long as you can see the plate. Oh, someone's coming, intruder alert, intruder alert. All right, coming along very nicely now. What's this, camera number 7?
Yeah.
6 down, 4 to go. And
105 degrees on today?
105? Don't exaggerate, come on.
Today.
I know, that's why you got the long sleeve on, you're cold.
Yeah.
So you can see we've staple gunned it, which is something new to us, making it all nice and neat. Usually I just use Gorilla Tape and tape it up, but 7 car washes, you kind of start thinking about making it look nice and neat. So you can see it's ran very nice. 1 camera each bay, 1 out the back, 1 out the front. Let me show you how it's looking. Ooh. Inside, 1 bay, 2 bay. Actually, that's the door. Vending machines, built changer, bay 5. And me again. So we got 2 more bays and 1 more out the back and 1 out the front. Very happy with it. It's coming along nicely. Cannot complain. So I'm just getting a bunch of new brush heads, brush handles, ox hair, and new hoses together because 2 of the bays are pretty bad. Bristles are like maybe down to here, so it's time to change it, put in a new handle, new hoses, and it's good to go. Good to go up. But the problem is, I only have 1 ladder here. And that guy's using the ladder, so I'm gonna have to wait till I get another ladder. Or till he's done. Either or. Yep. We're getting exhausted. It's been 7 hours in the heat. You can see I'm burned, I'm red. We're getting burned over here. So we just jumped on Facebook Marketplace and saw if there was any ladders near us, and there was one 10 minutes away, so I sent the guy a message, and 80 bucks for an 8-footer. I think they're like 250 bucks at Home Depot. So for 80 bucks, can't complain. Let's check it out. How's it look? How's it look? Damn, 80 bucks. Werner, can't beat it. You didn't count the money? Should have given him half then. Oh, he trusts you. 80 bucks. Marketplace for the win. Very nice.
Solid like a relationship.
Nice new guns, high pressure. Brand new and pre-soak guns. Ready to go. Now I just need the low pressure system. Hurry up, Bob. All right, we're done for the day. How you feeling?
I feel great, bro. I feel
Great?
like, yeah, another 10 hours.
You know what you're gonna feel great about?
What?
After we eat
Yeah.
Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah. And Riverside? No, this is not Riverside.
I don't know where we are, but it's gonna be good. Let's go
Yeah.
check it out. Big steak.
Let's go.
Round them up. Woo-hoo. All American. What we gonna get? You could have dressed up when we go out to dinner.
I know. We need to be ready for the next time.
Looking like bums.
Who cares?
All right, what do we got here? We got some bread. We got some nuts. Yeah, you need them. You need some nuts.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. We got a sirloin steak. We got half chicken. We got mashed potatoes, mac and cheese. We got a Coke Zero. What the hell?
Yeah.
You bulking up. All right, that's enough filming. We're done with this video. See you all later.
See you later.